So can you really learn spray tanning online? Yes, and actually paying less for online spray tanning versus in-person spray tan training should not mean that you're getting less education, less support, or ultimately getting less confidence in your spray tan services. So let's talk about how online spray tan training actually works. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Gina. I'm the owner and educator of Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, and my ultimate mission is to help women, moms, single moms learn how to start a side hustle as either a spray tan or teeth whitening technician and to build some financial independence in that process. So in-person spray tan training is absolutely amazing, and I absolutely see the value in that when you have the opportunity to get yourself into a spray tan training that is in person. But I want students to really understand that an online spray tan training doesn't mean less education. When an online spray tan training is designed the right way, it's going to give you the same education, the same confidence, hopefully the same type of mentorship. It's just coming in a different format. So in this video, I'm going to explain how online spray tan training actually works, how the hands-on portion of this is going to actually work via online training, and showing that paying less for a training because it's online doesn't mean sacrificing knowledge, and it definitely should not sacrifice mentorship. So really understand that online spray tan training and in-person spray tan training are just two different formats of learning. Now, I teach both, and I definitely think that both options can be absolutely amazing. I've personally done in-person training myself to learn how to spray tan, and I've done numerous online spray tan training programs. But I have to be very honest, I am very aware that in-person training just isn't an option for some students. Maybe you don't have somebody local enough that you are willing to go to. Maybe your lifestyle just doesn't sustain you jumping on a plane, paying for a hotel room, and coming to do training with somebody out of state. Maybe you have kids. Maybe financially it just isn't feasible for you to do that right now. And maybe you're new to the industry and you're playing it smart and not wanting to invest so much into your first time training. Now, doing an online training doesn't mean that you're less serious about learning how to spray tan. It's just really important to understand how it fits in your lifestyle. Some people are super excited about walking into a classroom, having one-on-one attention with an instructor and being able to have that hands-on presence, versus some people do great when they can pause, stop, rewatch, and look over the entire course, maybe not all in one sitting. You may need to rewatch me spray tan a hand a couple times before it actually clicks. You may need to just stop a video because you got kids crying in the background and you need to tend to them to make sure you can get through this entire training. This is the beauty of online training. It doesn't mean that you're getting a watered down version of what we offer in person. You are just being able to control when, where, and how long you are actually sitting down to learn this new skill. The format might be different, but the actual goal of either training option is for you to feel confident, is for you to be able to practice, and for you to continue to be able to go back and watch explanations of things that you're going to need for the rest of your spray tan career. Now, I understand the concern about whether paying less for online training is going to actually give you as much information and as much access to a mentor as in-person training does. Because I will tell you, I've seen some trainings on the market where a spray tan training program online is maybe a downloadable 10 PDF, 2 video type of situation. But not all trainings are like that. Because in all honesty, the information, the education that you get with online versus in-person should be exactly the same. The only thing that is different is the physical expense that you'll have to incur if you come in person to an in-person training. You shouldn't have any type of different mentorship, education, or any questions not being answered for you. My in-person clients versus my online training clients are still going to learn spray tan science, how to choose spray tan solution, how to use your equipment, how to go through the process of an exact client consultation and have all the forms. All of that education is still provided in that online training program. One of the other misconceptions that I hear about online spray tan training programs is it's just a video of somebody spraying a client and hope and pray for the best. In Impressive Glow online spray tan training, everything is laid out. This is over 130 pages of education, 39 different lessons, multiple downloadable Canva templates, and over 26, almost I think we're at 30 actual videos of me explaining spray tanning, application, troubleshooting, problem solving, all of the things that you would get in person just via video. Now, I don't have all of these videos just to stuff the training program to make it look full. Everything you're going to learn in person versus DHA, science, all of that is explained completely laid out through the online training program. And one of the best things about having the online training portion is you can always go back and rewatch things. Because I'm going to tell you, the first time you go through this course, there's going to be a lot of things that don't make sense until you get actual clients in front of you. And you can go back to this course and be like, now all of this stuff actually makes sense. Now, I want you to also understand that online training doesn't mean you're not going to get practice. Online training just requires you to pick up that spray tan gun, get some friends, get some family, get some girlfriends over, and rewatch those videos and actually perform the patterns, learn the science, choose the solution, perform all the things that you learned in that online training and actually apply it to actual clients. And you're going to have to do that regardless if you do in-person training or online training. Yes, in person, I may be here with you, but you still have to go home to gain the confidence by practicing on actual bodies. Same thing for online training, because no training program or format is going to replace the repetition. The repetition where your arm starts to feel natural spraying a certain way, your brain automatically knows how to choose DHA and use the color theory that you learned in either one of the formats. The only difference is that you are learning and practicing in your own space. The repetition of practicing is what makes it feel natural. So the biggest reason why I feel like online spray tan training versus in-person training program is basically just a different format is because of the way that mentorship is continued throughout your journey as a student. So whether you do in-person or online with me, we still get 2 one-hour Zoom calls one-on-one. This is not a class of 50 different girls where you're scared to ask questions. Heck, set up your phone and let me watch you do a spray tan, and we can go from there to even show you maybe some of the things or mistakes that you may be making. Mentorship is what changes the game in a spray tan training program, whether it's in person or it's online. If you know that there's somebody there, not just for those 2 hours of Zoom calls, but there for you lifetime to help you through your spray tan journey, because what you're struggling with today is not going to be the same struggles you have in the next 2 years. Because when the actual questions start to come up is once you start getting people in your spray tan tent. When you're in person with me or you're first reviewing that spray tan training online spray tan training program, a lot of questions are not going to be brought up until you actually get bodies in front of you. So that is why mentorship is one of the most important things to look for when you're looking for an online spray tan training program. So I want you to really understand that the quality of training matters way more than the format of training that you decide on. You have to make sure you are asking questions about what is included in your online spray tan training program. You want to be able to have direct answers. You want to be able to have video demonstrations. You want to be able to have color theory explained to you. And one of the other things is, of course, how do I get a hold of you as a mentor throughout the journey of my spray tan business? So who is online training best for? Maybe you don't like flying and there's not a trainer near you and you found somebody online, maybe me, that you actually really love and you want to learn from, but you just can't, one, afford, your lifestyle doesn't allow it for you to jump on a plane, get a hotel room, get a rental car, and come all the way to Charleston. This may be the best option for you. Now, I'm going to be really honest with you. Online spray tan training isn't fly through the course, get the certificate, and not practice and feel like you're going to be successful. You still have to practice. You still have to go through all the trials and ups and downs of anybody, whether they've done in-person training or online training. You still have to go through the journey of being a spray tan artist and becoming the best one that you possibly can. And you need to use the resources that are available to you, all of the videos, all of the mentorship calls, because if you don't use those, you can never complain that you didn't have somebody to help you through this process. So can you learn spray tanning online? Absolutely. Does the format matter? No. Does the training quality matter? Yes, absolutely it does. Does the mentorship matter? Of course. Can you build a successful spray tan business by only taking an online spray tan training program? Absolutely. I have trained over 2,000 women. More than 75% of those women have been online training programs, and they have done absolutely amazing. At the end of the day, you may be learning online, but you're not learning alone. Now, if you are interested in starting a spray tan business and you've dragged your feet because you just don't understand if online training is going to be enough, let me tell you. I'm going to insert a couple Instagram accounts of some girls who've done online spray tan training with me, and I want you to go follow their pages and see how successful they have been. Now, if you're still considering it and you want a little bit more of a resource, I actually created a full downloadable free how to start a spray tan business in 2026, and I give you so much information about starting a spray tan business, and it's free. So I'm going to put the links in the description. You can download that for free. And when you are ready to start your spray tan business, whether online or in person, make sure you go to impressiveglow.com. I'll see you guys in the next one.